Very good morning, dear students. Hope you all are keeping fine. Stay home and be safe. Today, we are going to learn about how to format a document. First, let us see what is formatting. Formatting is the process of changing the general arrangement of text. So already there will be a appearance for the text in all the applications. Whether it may be a Word, Excel, PowerPoint, whatever it may be, there will be a general format for it, a common appearance. So if you want to change that default appearance, you can make it with the help of this formatting options. So why do we use these formatting options? It is to improve the appearance of the text. It is to improve the appearance of the text. How do we improve the appearance? By giving different fonts, font color, font style. So by using all these things, you can give a different appearance to the text. What is a font? It's an important two-mark question. A font is a set of letters, numbers, or symbols in certain style. Each font looks different from other fonts. So it is just like font is just like our handwriting. Nobody will have the same handwriting. When we write, if some 10 people are there, if 10 people are writing the same passage, it will not be looking alike. Each one's handwriting will be different. So font is also like that. Each font will be looking different from the other one. So font is a set of letters, numbers and symbols in different styles. Formatting character using character specification dialog box. So character formatting means displaying text in different way or in a certain style. So character formatting consists of text properties such as bold, italic, underline, font type, font size, font color, etc. So this character formatting can be done using the character specifications dialog box. This box is known as character specification dialog box. So with the help of this dialog box, you can change the format of a text. So changing the format, if you want to get this dialog box, first you have to select type character in the menu bar or press Ctrl plus T. You will be getting the character specification dialog box. So in that you can make the changes like font size, font color, bold, italic, underline. All these things are available in this dialog box. So let us see how this dialog box appears. So here you can see the font. Font, we know that there are different font styles. So Times New Roman, Arial, Black, etc., etc. There are a lot of font styles are there. At the same time, you can change the size of the font. So here 12 points are given. You can change it up to 72. Then you can change the color. So here by default it will be black color. You can change it to any preferred color, any color which you prefer. Then next one is type style. Here you can see italics, underline, bold, strike through, reverse. So all these things are different type styles. So if you want to make the text bold, you can use bold, italics or underline or strike through. These things can be used to change the type style. So this is about the character specification dialog box. So character specification dialog box is available in the type menu. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus T. The options which you can change here is font, font size, font color, type style, bold, italic, underline, etc. can be changed using the character specification dialog box. This may be asked in a 3-mark question. How can you format the character using character specifications dialog box? Character formatting using Control Palette. So now the previous topic was how to format the character using the character specifications dialog box. Now we are going to see how to format it using the control palette. The control palette is especially useful when you are doing lots of formatting. So when you are doing lot of changes, so many changes in the application or in your document, you can use the control palette, character control palette. Okay, so now, so in order to get the control palette, you can choose Windows show control palette, Windows show control palette, or control plus apostrophe in the keyboard. Control plus apostrophe, this is a shortcut key. So either by using any of these options, you can get the character control palette. Character control palette. This is the character control palette. So you can see everything is marked very clearly. What are the things? This is a font, then font size, then tracking. Okay, so here horizontal scale, baseline shift, then leading, that's space, then small caps, underline, italics, bold. All these things are very clearly mentioned here. So this is the character control palette where you can make lot of changes in your document. Here there is a small Tamil Nadu is a text given here, and the font size is 60 points. It's given in font Arial black bold, Arial black bold, and it is underlined. So here some more options like small caps, this one. So we have seen here small caps. So you may have a doubt what is small cap. So here it is very clearly given what is small caps. So this is big caps and this is small caps. Then italics, we all know what is italics. So this is slanting letters. So this is italics. So these are the things which are mainly used in the character control palette. Okay. So dear students, you can see the control palette here. You can see the control palette. Let me place it here. So we'll just type something. Hi, how are you all? Okay, so I have typed this. Okay, so now we'll make some changes in this. So if you want to make some changes in the text font, you can just click here. You can see the font styles, different font styles. Okay, so you can see the changes there. When I click something, some different fonts you can change. You can choose, see the changes there. So right, so now we'll just make a change in the font size. Just we'll click change the font size so that you can see it very clearly, so the change can be visible to you. Just when I click, see, now the font is changed to a different style. Okay, so the font can be changed in different styles. So a lot of fonts are available, so you can choose any font style as you wish. Okay, so all caps, big caps, small caps. So you can see the difference between big caps and small caps. So now this is big caps and this is small caps. Okay, then bold, italics, underline. So these are the options which we are very familiar with. Always we'll be using all these things. Okay, so now these are the formatting options which are available in the character control palette. These same options are available in the character dialog box also, character specification dialog box also. So in order to change the font color, we can choose the character dialog box, character specifications dialog box. So I have selected the text. Let me change the color into blue and click OK. So now the text is changed to blue color. So we'll select this and we'll change it, type character, and we'll change this color to magenta. Okay, so now that particular text is changed to a different magenta color. Okay, so this is the these are the options which are available either in character specifications dialog box or character control palette. Okay, students, so we can change the font color using the color palette also. So in order to get the color palette, you can just click Windows and click Show Color. Windows, Show Color, or press Ctrl plus J. Click Show Color. So now you can see the Show Color or Color dialog box is here. So select the text which you want to change into different colors and just click the color. So that text will be changing into different colors. Okay, so when we type hi all, okay, so just let me change this color into some other different colors, blue. Okay, so you can see it. Let me change the font size. Okay, so now it is changed into different color. So this option is available in Windows show color or hide color. Windows show color, or press Ctrl plus J. Ctrl plus J is used for getting the color palette. Okay, next we come to the line tool. What is the use of a line tool? So in order to draw lines, we will be using the line tool. So you can change the points uh, according to our wish. You can choose a single line like this. Okay, so this is a normal what you get by default. The line stroke will be like this. Okay, so if you want to change the line stroke, you can just double click the line tool from the toolbox. Just double click. So you will be getting a custom stroke dialog box. You'll be getting custom stroke dialog box. In custom stroke dialog box, just click the style, select the style, and stroke weight. That means how much thickness it should be there. So just click some points like it, by default it will be 1. You can give any points. I have given 15 here. Okay, just click OK. Now draw the line. So you can see the line how it appears in a different style. It appears. Okay, so let me change it once again. We'll change to some different style. Okay, so now it is in different style, right? So you can see the difference. Okay, so suppose if you want to change into dotted lines are also available. Just click OK and draw the lines. So the dotted lines will appear. Okay, so this is how you can draw the lines, different lines. Let me, okay, come to the line. Now just will change into 0.1 and click OK. So now let me draw a line here. It's a dotted line, a small dotted line. Okay. So if you want to change that thickness into some other points, just let me give us 5. You can see the difference. Okay. So this is a way to change the different styles. If you want to change into any other style also you can make. Okay. So now here you see. Okay, so any style can be applied, so different styles are given here. Any style can be selected. Okay, so now when I draw you can see the different styles which appears here. In the same way you can draw all the other drawing tools. You can use all other drawing tools. So let me draw a rectangle box here. So the rectangle box is selected. So now double click here, you will have different options. Rounded rectangle, square, pointed rectangle, pointed corner. So all these things are available. Just select one. So now when you draw, you can see the difference. Okay, so when you make the change in the lines, there may be a change in the drawing also. Okay, so here, see. Okay, so when you draw you can you will be getting the rounded corner. So just double click and you can choose any option. So now see the difference. Okay, so just let me delete it. Okay, so now you can see the difference. Let me draw so many boxes so that you can see the difference in that. Okay, so now see. Okay, different boxes, different style boxes. Okay, rounded. Okay, so these are the different options which are available. So here same way as circle is here, so you can use the circle. Okay, just click and draw the circle. So same options can be changed here. Blue key. So okay, so here you can draw the circles, different color. If you want you can make, okay, green color. Okay, so just double click on it, you will be getting the different options. Then points, different points you can choose, and you can click, draw it. See, you can get different style, different thickness. Okay, so all these things are some almost all are same in the selection process. So just double click it, you will be getting the fill and stock dialog box. Just choose the color and choose the points here. You can choose any points dotted. Okay, then you can choose the color and click OK. So now you can see I'm just drawing a circle here. So see, now you will be getting a different appearance here. Okay, so in order to get such an appearance, you can make the changes according to your necessity, your need. You can make the changes here. Okay, so see, okay, it's looking nice, right? So if you want to make some changes, just double click here, you will be getting the fill and stock dialog box. You can choose any stock, any fill in that and click OK. So when you fill it, you will be getting the different style here. So same way the border style also can be changed here. Okay, just click OK. Yeah, right. So now it is yellow, the border is yellow now. Okay, so all these things are available in the toolbox itself. Just double click on the tool, you will be getting the necessary dialog boxes so that you can easily come over with that. Okay, just I'm drawing a polygon here. See the polygon, the option what we have selected, that the fill and all those things what we have selected there, everything is as it is. Okay, so it is there. Just will change the fill and stock here. We'll give some other color, green. Okay, so now, oh, that is what. Okay, so now polygon. So same, you see the same shades are appearing for both the circle and the shade. When you make changes in in the tools, that may uh, be repeated in the other tools also. Okay, the same shades and strokes will be repeated in the other tools also. So dear students, next let us see something which is interesting. So let us see how to draw a star using the polygon tool. So now when you double click the polygon tool, you will be getting the polygon settings dialog box. You will be getting the polygon settings dialog box. So number of sides you can mention here or just slide this. So you'll be we know that polygon is 6 sides. So now just give 6 sides and click OK. Or you can make some star inset. So here 14%, I have moved the slide to 14%. You can see the preview here. Then next, when it becomes 40, you see the preview here. Okay, so you can even change the sides also. The number of sides 8. See now here it is 8. So previously it was only 6. So the star looks like this, and in the next you can see number of sides as 8. So you can see the preview here. So when you draw now, you will be getting a star with 8 side, and when you draw this one, you will be getting a star with 6 side. Is that clear? So now let me draw it for you. So now you'll see our star is ready. Our star is ready. So now just we'll make some changes in the fill and stroke so that the star, our star will be looking some more beautiful. So we'll give some color and we'll just change the. Okay, so just let me draw another star. Sorry, so that's not a star, right? Polygon tool. So here you see the star looks different here in this fill in stock. We'll just make some changes in the color again. So click OK, click the polygon tool and draw it. So see, our star looks very beautiful, right? So you can make some changes in this. So let me change our star to have some 8 sides. Okay, so some 8 sides and a little more beautiful. Okay, so now you can see a star which is of 8 sides and a different look. Okay, so just double click and you can change your preference like anything as you wish. Okay, so just okay, click here. You see the star is looking very different, right? Okay, so according to your need you can make the change. Okay, so as you wish you can make the changes here. Okay, so in the color, in the points, in the okay, so all the options you can make the changes here. Sorry for drawing the circle. Okay, just okay. So when we change the options, that this option fill in stock options are available in the circle tool or in the ellipse tool. So that's why when I draw it, the circle appears. Okay, so instead of clicking the polygon tool, I click the circle. Okay, so now just click the polygon tool and draw it. So now you can see the star looking very different, is it? Okay, so a very nice appearance is there. Just double click the circle tool and you can change the fill and stroke. You can give different colors there and click OK. Select the polygon tool. So now you can see the star appears very different here. Okay, so see, so now you can choose the star. Okay, so just click and you see, okay, the star is appearing in a different style, different look. So here We will just make some arrangements there. Okay, so the star is different, right? Okay, so you can make some changes in the sides uh, as well. Okay, so now five side, a star with five side. Okay, so anyhow, this is how you draw a star. So in order to draw a star, just double click the polygon tool. You will be getting the number of sides and star inset. So now you can just make the star and click OK and draw it. So according to our wish, we can make a star with the help of the polygon tool.